Here they come!
Come on, birdie, birdie, birdie. Come out of your nest. I wonder if people play this game for the story or if they actually just want to run away from big ass hordes of zombies and see how well they fend off that huge horde of zombies. Because it feels like it's more of the latter than it is both.
Hey, wait. Hold up. Shit. Alright, let me see.
Why does it sound like he's
Wait,
sniffing
here.
around?
Down this way. Tracks are fresh.
Also, Leon well,
So where the hell did you learn to track shit anyway?
Used to go elk hunting with my old man when I was a kid. Ended up tracking shit for miles.
the Leon in this game anyway looks like a gas station trucker hillbilly. Like he does. He looks very, very much like the oh Jesus.
Get down!
Can I shoot him? Okay, I'm gonna take that as I can shoot him. Please let me shoot him. Oh wait, games like this always have stuff hidden around in these places. Anything?
You okay, brother? Yeah. Just a graze. Son of a bitch can't aim worth a damn.
Son of a bitch.
I'm fine, Boozer.
So his name's Boozer? That's a unique name.
He must be heading down there toward the falls.
He's losing a lot of blood. He's not getting far. Come on.
Dude, I would not trust going
Search him.
anywhere near a huge mass of zombies that could probably smell you right now.
Bleeding out. That's a hell of a way to go. It's slow. A lot of pain, but I suppose you know all about that.
She was
right
still
now.
breathing when we found her, you piece of shit.
I wasn't gonna waste a bullet not on her.
Hold on for a second. Now, where's the stash, Leon? If you tell us, well, unlike you, I can promise you we'll make it quick. Don't look like you'd be suffering for too long. Leon, you got a little problem here. See, they can smell your blood from all the way down there. What do you suppose that feels like? Huh? Torn apart? Eaten alive?
Is his
Guess he's gonna
shoulders?
find
No,
out.
his shoulders aren't
Goodbye,
exposed.
Leon.
No, wait. All right, no. I got it right here. Take it.
Where?
In the cemetery. It's in the old cemetery.
Thank you.
No, you said. Do it. Don't leave me out here, man. Do it. Do it. You goddamn liar. Do it.
If you're worried about them smelling his blood, why aren't you more worried about them hearing the gunshot?
Tuck's gonna need something for the bounty.
So we're bounty hunters now,
You did the
or
right thing, bro. We don't want to leave anyone to the freaks. Not even a piece of shit like Leon.
so they were actually? There's always a different way. Like people refer to zombies as freaks, walkers, just your standard zombies.
Hey, hold up. I want to search this camp, see if I can't find something to fix up this scratch.
Awesome. Now you want to teach us about it.
Okay.
Survival sense is always a good way of finding shit. Wait, that was this one.
just gotta put them together and yes. There. Yeah, that ought to do it. Guess I won't be losing the arm anytime soon.
Okay. That crafting system's a little bit strange,
Oh, we
but
were going hunting tonight. Take some bounties into Tucker.
A lot of it's pissing down rain.
Nah, man, we need the camp credits. Gotta stock up on supplies.
Yeah, okay. I don't want to be out all night, though.
it feels very much like either Far Cry 5's crafting system
Jesus.
or
I gotta
Horizon
get
Zero
you.
Dawn's.
Gonna see if there's anything we can salvage on Leon's bike.
No. God damn.
What?
Son of a bitch.
Guessing that's the fuel line, unless you just pissed yourself.
Fuel pump. Leon. Yeah, shot out my damn fuel pump. Can we get anything off Leon's bike?
Nah, it's done. Look, let's just go back to O'Leary Mountain. We'll head out in the morning, find
Oh,
some
that's
parts, and
a-
come back and get your bike.
That's a nice bike.
No. I think I got a better idea. We just get it while we're out here.
What?
Well, Crazy Willie's isn't far from here. Let's just head over there.
What are you thinking?
We were going out hunting tonight anyway. Crazy Willie's is as good a place as any.
Okay.
Is this going to be the first place where we see the first big horde in this game? Because that'd be really cool to see.
Hey, what did Leon give you?
Map of some kind. Once we get my bike back, let's head up to the cemetery, look around.
Yeah. Okay.
I heard something. Loser. Speed up.
So tomorrow, get the drugs, take him to Tucker, collect on Leon's bounty. Then I say we head north.
You think shit's any different up north?
Don't matter, I think it'd do us good. Get the hell away from here.
Why does he have is that a Nazi logo or no? I think it's similar to that.
Hold on, something's blocking the road.
Careful. I saw a setup like this a couple days ago. A bunch of rippers blocked the road with an old truck.
Come on, help me move it.
Okay, main character Deacon said that apparently this could be a trap.
Ready?
Yep.
Push!
Also, this is a really nice boat. Just find place for this and then just roll down the road.
You can do this! Stop him!
And of course, it's a trap. Come on. Hold in the enemy's direction and okay. Well, the melee in this game is actually
We're almost there.
extraordinarily interesting. Pretty fun actually too. Can I loot them? Maybe take the jacket. It's a nice jacket. Or that hammer. Is that a hammer or an axe? Looks like an axe. Except with a really big like hammer butt to it.
Coming up on the old Nero checkpoint.
We're almost there.
That looks like a very much possible place to route. And one I'd very much like to
Shit,
explore.
how you
in
want
the
to do
future.
this?
Loan me your shotgun. I'll walk point.
Shotgun. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted for Christmas.
Looks like that checkpoint had him backed up pretty good.
Yeah, a lot of good it did him. Hell, I'd rather be buried back with the goddamn pioneers.
Yeah.
Shit, look at them all. Bunch of goddamn dumbasses, the lot of them. What are they thinking? Hey, Mr. Fed, can we sit here and wait till the goddamn horde comes through and just kills us all?
Bad way to go out, trapped in a shithole like this.
Honestly, in a game like this, you need to make sure you look at everything. You see a back of a car, loot it. You see an old porta potty, loot it. See if they have any good toilet paper, because I'm sure that's something you're looking for in the apocalypse. Oh, that one's already cracked open. Please do not show up, hordy, hordy, hordy.
Smell that?
Oh, Jesus. There. Come on, let's go.
Hey, hold up. How many Molotovs you got left back here?
Let's hit it on the way back. Leave it.
Yeah. Leave it my ass.
Son of a bitch. You're hoping someone's home.
Is that supposed to be like a horde nest? Or like a nest?
Sounds like you got your wish.
You really hate zombies, don't you? That is dumb as hell to do.
Dig. Bro.
You can calm the hell down.
I think it's dead. You're gonna break my shotgun.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know if anyone ever watched Supernatural, but for some reason he reminds me of Sam from Supernatural.
You're going up there again.
What are you talking about?
Goddamn refugee camp. You only act like this when you're thinking about going up there.
Act like what?
It's not your fault that she's dead.
Drop it.
If you'd gotten on that chopper with Sarah, all that would have changed is you'd be dead too.
Look, just drop it.
Am I at the wrong spot? Can I get on? Game, let me get on. Oh wait, it wants me to continue to press forward. Oh no, a red blinking light. That's never a good sign.
Oh, shit.
Can I turn this thing off?
Cut it out.
I would love to say that I do really like whenever they have like a lot of free. I'm gonna say this again, but I think I'm.
You're
gonna
not getting your bike through there.
Try that service tunnel. See if you can clear us a path from the other side.
Oh,
I got it.
I
Just
did
keep
not-
your headlight pointed that way.
Do not want to jump on it. I don't want to be Tarzan. What does it want me to do? Oh, that way. Going there. I was going to say, are zombies in this universe like not weak, or like you can kill them without just straight going for the head? Because it's a little bit weird if they had a zombie game where the head wasn't their obvious weakness. And I think this is going to be another video where
How the hell?
that's not what I wanted.
I didn't plan on this, goddammit!
Oh, that's what it is.
Last.
Nope, nope, nope. Alright, here we go. Do this quick. Turn you off. There we go.
More freaks!
Yeah, from the looks of it, the headshots are not the killer to these guys. You can go with body shots as well, which is kind of intriguing.
There we go.
Any good shit? Ooh, another cop car. Would there be this many cop cars in the tunnel? I would think there'd be more just right outside the tunnel, not inside the tunnel.
Another nest.
Oh,
You want to
yeah,
teach us
I
how to
smell it. Oh,
make a Molotov?
How many
now?
Molotovs you got left?
well, you just used the last one.
You got any shit to make more?
Yeah, yeah.
This'll just take a sec.
Where's Molotov? Right here? Nope. Molotov. Is that Molotov? Yes, it is.
That'll do it. Yeah, ready? Shit.
Here they come.
Come on. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Come out of your nest.
Hey, come on, get on.
Yeah, okay, give me a sec.
Oh, so there was two entrances to that nest.
I've been thinking about what you said about riding north.
Just saying, you need to get away from here. Clear your head, you know?
In the morning, let's turn in the bounties, and we'll hit the road.
Hell yeah, brother. Now you're talking.
Let me guess, the camp's gonna get overrun by zombies and then we're gonna be forced to stay back. Because that's usually what happens.
Wanted a
So-
freak show.
Shit.
Place is crawling.
What are those things? Spider monkeys?
Shit, we're gonna need more ammo. What are you thinking? And I already know it's a bad idea.
You just ride on through. You pull as many of them off as you can. And I go in through the back, down that hill, find the garage.
Shit.
All right, you just give me a few minutes to find the part that I need. You ride back, we ride the hell out. After I kill a few of the bastards.
Swear to God, you got a death wish.
Like I said, not tonight.
I do like
You stinking sons of bitches!
I do like their jackets though. I think their jackets look pretty cool.
on! That's right! Here I am, motherfuckers! Oakville's right here!
Please don't be a timed thing. I don't think it is, but I'm just gonna save really quick just in case. No, not new save. I'll overwrite the last save. I think I'll stop it here. This will be a good start to the next episode. Well, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed some Day Is Gone. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.